Here we're performing a titration. A titration is used to determine the concentration of an analyte solution, also to find the stoichiometry of a reaction and the number of electrons gained or accepted in a redox reaction. Okay, so to start a titration, you have to prime the burette, and priming consists of rinsing it 3 times with water and then letting it run through once with a solution that we're filling it with, just to make sure it's all clean. So we've already done that, and we filled it up to our first volume. In order to do a titration, you have to know the initial volume, because we're solving for how much of our standard solution we need to react with the analyte solution. We also need to know how much of the analyte is in here. So we have that recorded, and I'm going to find the initial volume. It is 48.51. So I'm going to record that for the initial volume. It's right here. And then we are going to let some of this out until we get a very light pink.
Say 30.21. I need to do this 30.21. Very cool. You're done with that. Now we just need you.
Alright, so we've emptied it out to get enough to get a very, very light pink. And then now we're going to read the final volume. And it is 20.11. So I'm going to record that in my notebook. So the initial volume we're at is about 49.29. So I'm going to write that down in my notebook. And then I'm going to start adding the sodium hydroxide to my mix. Is about 38.51, and I'm gonna write that down in my notebook.
It's about 48.81. So now I'm gonna let some out until the solution turns pink.
Now go ahead.
Now that the solution is pink, we're going to get the final volume, which is about 37.71. So I'm going to record that.
Okay, so the initial volume is about 49.21. Now that the solution has turned pink, we can find the final volume. And it looks like it is 37.53.